Let's get cooking, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Bushcrafty Cooks. Once more, we are going to make another sandwich. Yes, the treat. Technically Spam, but I like this. I like treat better than Spam because it's less fatty, I guess you would say, and less salt. But we are going to make a nice grilled. Well, it's going to be a grilled barbecue Spam sandwich. So hang tight. Let me get this thing open and see if I can pry this stuff out of the can here. This could be hard by itself. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. We're gonna have fun trying to get this out of there. There we go. Yep, there's that lovely sound. Okay, we want to make this pretty good size slices. So we're going to make them about yay thick, like that. We'll probably have 3 or 4 on a slice, probably. I'm going to go ahead and slice the rest of this up, just so we'll have it. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and head over to the stove, and I'll catch you over there. Okay, as our little skillet's getting heated up here, I just got a little bit of olive oil in there. Probably should have got some bacon grease, but this works. Now, I'm going to go ahead and start placing these in here. Move this around to get that oil all incorporated right there. Go and put the next one in there. And I'm going to go ahead and put 4 in here, but I think 3 will be the size of the sandwich we need, but I'm going to go ahead and put 4 just in case. So you never know. We'll get that going just a tad. Get it crispy a little bit, get it cooked up a little bit, and then we'll add our next thing. So hang tight. Okay, you want to keep moving around, that way you see that they're not sticking or anything. Keep moving around a little bit. When you're about ready to flip, you can use a fork if you want, or a spatula. Go ahead and give them a little flip. Keep moving them around, that way they don't stick. The last one here. That's what we want. We want that a little bit of crispiness going on like there. You see the little crispiness up in here? That's what we want. We want that on both sides before we go to the next step. So we'll wait until we get to that next step, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay guys, it's about time to do the flippy flip it. So we're going to go ahead and put it on our special ingredient. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good. Okay. Try to do this again. I guess we'll have to leave that in there, won't we? Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do a flip. And it's going to go crazy because of that barbecue sauce. Of course, there's a lot of barbecue sauce in there now. There we go. You're going to hear that sizzle. I'm going to try to incorporate all that barbecue sauce there, because we're going to do that again on this side. But try not to lose the lid on it. But again, you see all the crispy crisp. That's what we want. We want that. And now we want that barbecue sauce incorporated in there. And this barbecue sauce is, well, it's not really barbecue, wing dipping sauce. It's bourbon peach barbecue, which is very good, very good. Okay, I'm going to move this around a little bit because there's some barbecue sauce in there that needs soaked up. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit this again. Try not to lose the lid. And give a couple seconds on that side. And we'll be done with this. Now you may think, oh, that's burnt. No, that's just the sugar inside the barbecue sauce. We're going to let that go for a couple seconds. I'm going to turn this off because I'm going to have to clean this skillet out. That way I don't have to dirty a lot of skillets. So hang tight and we'll get to the next stage. Okay, are we ready for our next step? This is doozy. The stove is off, but it's still a little warm, so you may hear a sizzle. I've got some sourdough bread here with mayonnaise on one side, which I'm going to use it to cook the sandwich here. Now we're going to go ahead and put a couple things of cheese on here. Put one slice here, and this is smoked cheddar cheese, so it's even better. Now we're going to lay our Spam on here like so, nice and grilled with that barbecue flavor on there. And like I said, I figured we'd only need 3, but I got a snack for later. And my hands are clean. Anyways, I'm the one eating it, not you. Okay. Now, I can go ahead, we're going to put this on a medium heat because we want this to cook slow. That way the cheese melts and it incorporates all together. And where did I put the barbecue sauce? Oh, there you are. Now, we're going to go ahead and add some barbecue sauce. I cleaned my bottle. Going to add some barbecue sauce into this. You can put as much as you want. That's what I'm putting on right there. And then we're going to put our topper back on here. And I could put more cheese on here, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to leave it like that. And we're going to go put that on there like this. And we're going to let this slowly come to heat. And once you start seeing a little bit of smoke coming around here, we'll flip it over. So, right when it's time to flip over, I will grab you guys and show you that. So, hang tight. Okay, we're ready for our next step. Now this, since there's no cheese on the top side, you got to be careful with this. And it's going to be hard for me to do because the camera's in the way. So, we're going to try and flop that over. And that looks like I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional or something, but we just got lucky this time. Now, look at that. That's perfect. And again, I don't know why people do this on their grilled sandwiches, but they make that sound on it. I guess it's supposed to make it good or something. I don't know. But what I like to do is kind of move this around and let it cook for a little bit, and then I'll actually spin it like this. That way, because it's a pretty long size type of a bread, so that evens out the cook, so to speak. So, I don't know if you guys can see the cheese melted down there a little bit. So once this gets done, we're going to take it over to the other side of the kitchen here, and I'll show you what it looks like. So hang tight. Okay, here you go, guys. This is the sandwich. This is the grilled Spam, or grilled barbecue cheese sandwich. Something like that. I always have trouble coming up with these names. But there's so much more you can do with this. As you can see, the cheese is melting really good in between those, that Spam. And the barbecue sauce is just incorporated in there. Ooh, yeah. This is going to be good. And I'll do the thing. Somebody has to tell me what's that about, you know. Is it a sound thing? Maybe I should bring it closer. I don't know. Anyways, let's cut into this thing. Try not to cut my finger while we're doing it. And I'm very bad at these cut things. Okay. So here you go. You got the ooey gooiness. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Let's give it a taste. Mmm. Mmm. That is really good. You can taste the sweetness of that barbecue sauce. And that smoked cheese. Oh. If you're used to those little plastic slices of cheese that you get in the store that are individually wrapped and stuff, making your grilled cheese, upgrade to a smoked cheddar that is real cheese, and you'll never go back to that icky stuff. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my sandwich here, and I want to thank everybody for watching. Make sure you come by Mondays at 8 o'clock, because that's when we're live, and we'll catch you on the next one. Happy cooking.